It's the best dental school in the world, period, bar none. It's because of the students, it's because of the staff, it's because of the faculty. It encaptures everything a learning institution should be.
In 1896, when the profession of dentistry was at a crossroads, the College of Physicians and Surgeons was founded. Using new technologies and clinical research, the college began a legacy that has lasted 115 years, and today is known as the Arthur A. Dugoni School of Dentistry, an internationally recognized dental school known for adopting innovative technology and teaching methods. A school with a foundation built on 7 core values, including one that sets the Dugoni School apart from all the rest. In the early 1970s, Dean Dale Rettig began to see the relationship between the school and the student in a different light. He wondered if more collaboration and interaction between faculty and student would build a relationship of respect for the student's ideas and efforts. This innovative idea matured under Dean Arthur A. Dugoni, who further instilled a feeling of family among those who worked, taught, or learned at the school. This idea of family flourishes today under the leadership of Dean Patrick J. Ferrillo, Jr., and through his impact on the next generation of graduates.
Most of what comes to mind when I'm talking to some outsider about University of the Pacific is what a wonderful place it is and how they really care about the students and care about making us become the very best dentists.
Being on the cutting edge of dental education means being innovative, not only in technology, but also in the curriculum. Through the school's history, the willingness to reflect and improve, lead and take risks has become part of the school's tradition.
We went through the strategic plan and we knew that the curriculum had to change in order to be contemporary. Change so that it would create a better learning environment for our students. But also taking all the disciplines within the curriculum, both the basic sciences and the various clinical sciences, and intertwining, integrating them.
Creates a more active learning experience for the students that brings the different disciplines together and uses pedagogies like case-based learning that really is active for the students they get involved in and allows them in the classroom or in the laboratory to experience what they will experience with a patient when they're down in the clinic and out in practice.
This new approach, the Pacific Dental Helix curriculum, is one of the many reasons the school was awarded the prestigious Guys Award in recognition of its vision. Other recent advancements include new international partnerships, a bold focus on new facilities, student leadership initiatives, technology advances to facilitate hands-on high-tech learning, and a shift to a smaller group practice model in the clinics. These are just some of the innovative ideas being put into place today to shape future decades of dental education.
Innovation at UOP, I think, is something that we excel at because we're always sort of trying to do better. I think a lot of other schools are sort of stuck in the status quo, but if you come here and you see the different things that we're doing with our clinic and our curriculum, some of the student innovations, we're always kind of trying to do something new.
We want to be a leader. We want to be leading the improvement of health by advancing oral health. So that means you have to be innovative. So you take calculated risk.
The feeling of family plays an important role in the curriculum. It is the collaborative relationship between faculty and student that encourages excellence.
The support system comes from so many different levels, starting at the top with administration, down to faculty, to staff, and then even within the own student body.
They're 100% approachable. So you can always go up to them, ask them any sort of questions before, after office hours.
The students I'm working with are all very interested to learn, very interested to work with patients. They're very good in communications and in interactions, and they all want to really help the patients.
When I sit down and present a patient in clinic, it's not just me telling what I think should be done, it's a dialogue between the faculty and the student. That mutual respect is not punitive, it's a chance of growth and opportunity, and I think that's why the education here is so unique.
For more than a century, the Dugoni School has been a community leader committed to giving back to and serving the public. From the student-run SCOPE program that supports community health awareness to Project Homeless Connect, the school's faculty, students, and staff give back through outreach programs that serve the public good.
Our community service initiative here at the school is called Pay It Forward, and the idea is that each person who is helped then helps someone else. And I think it's a really powerful message that everyone can really learn from.
We have engaged our students significantly in leadership and community activities. Same thing with the faculty. And that's what it's all about.
Throughout its history, the school's leaders, faculty, student body, and alumni have carried tremendous pride for their association with the school. Their dedication, bolstered by the support from the wider University of the Pacific family, ensures that the goals that lie ahead for the Dugoni School will be achieved. Our long history of leadership, innovation, and commitment to delivering a world-class education continues to flourish. And new facilities on the horizon will provide a contemporary environment for the school to call home. Flexible learning spaces that inspire, communal spaces that connect, advances that will support clinical excellence, experiential learning, and further contribute to the fulfillment of the school's mission. It's an opportunity to celebrate our rich legacy and carry it into the future.
I think the average person never thinks about the fact that a dental school could have a life cycle, but they do. We started it on Howard Street and then moved to the Mission District, and in '67 moved to Pacific Heights. And each time we have made significant changes to the curriculum, the way students are taught, the atmosphere, just the whole thing changes. It's sort of like inspiring.
Above it all, the school's commitment to living its values will continue to nurture a family that cares deeply about each other and for the people they serve.